Today we have something sweet drawing tutorial for you. In this video we are going to see how to draw the candies. Before getting into the video, I am Reni and you are watching. You can see different shape of the candies available in the market. To draw that, we need to categorize into particular shapes. We usually draw with the basic shape, right? Circle, triangle, square and rectangle. So let's see how to draw the candies with basic shapes. Here you can see the different type of candies. This candy is in the shape of circle and this one rectangle and this one oval shape and this one spiral shape, basically the circle shape, and this one the group of oval shape are layered. We categorize the shape now. Let's get start the drawing. First draw the circle and rectangle and oval spiral and layered oval. Now we have 5 basic shapes. Based on this, we can draw the next step. In this step, just improve the detailing. In this step, as I am telling, lines no need to be perfect one. We can easily correct it in the next step. Now we have 5 look-alike candy shape with minimal detail. Next step is outline. Now we have done with the outline. Next step is coloring. Now you can ask me, Reni, I know how to draw the candy. Now where we could use this kind of drawings? I would say you can use this in the greeting cards. You have festivals, right? Diwali, Pongal, Christmas. In these kind of festives, you can create a greeting card on your own and draw these kind of candies in that and give it to your friends and family. They will really like it. Use this trick next time and let me know in the comment section how many of you tried this in the festive times. Now we have done with the coloring part. Next is shading. We have seen it in the puppy video. If you didn't watch the puppy video, I'll attach the link in the top of the video. Go and watch, learn the shading. And that's it. Our colorful sweet candies are ready. Now I have a craving to eat lot of chocolate. Oh my god, it's happening. Ah! I'll repeat the steps once again. We draw the basic shape first. Circle, rectangle, oval, spiral and group of oval shape layered. And then we improvise those kind of shapes into the next level. We add the little more detail in this step. And then outline. Once we are done with the outline, we apply the colors. And then shading. Ta-da! Our sweet candy is ready. In this video we have learned how to draw the candies. In the next video we'll see how to draw the ice cream. Until then, I'm Reni and you have watched. Bye.